Morning people, how are we all doing? So today is going to be another day in the life type video. We are on our way to Billericay of all places, and we are going to be doing, well, we're finishing off second fixing a stable conversion that I've been doing. I haven't filmed much of the actual conversion itself because the customer didn't want me to, but he said now that we're inside and all that and no one can see anything or location or anything, it's quite a private person, so yeah, now we're inside, he's happy for us to film inside. So not an amazing amount left to do, but basically we've got to do skirts, architraves, put a window board in, sort out a barn door. I hung the door to the bathroom yesterday, but I didn't get it completed, so I need to put the latch on for that, so that needs doing. And I think that's it, I'm not sure, but we'll find out properly when we get there. Customers supplied all of his own stuff like skirts and arcs and all that, so I don't know what we're walking into yet. We'll find out when we get there. I'm imagining it'll be something quite straightforward going by the rest of the project, but yeah, we'll find out when we get there. So I'm going to take us over there. It's quite a nice day. Guys, so here we are on the job here. I'm going to flip you around now and I'll show you a little tour of what we're doing. So this is the space that we're working in. You can see around here. I fitted this little kitchenette not too long ago, so I've got a plinth to go on there. That's having a quartz worktop on it. You can see I've put the sink in there already, so that's all good. But yeah, we've got skirtings to go right the way round in here, pretty simple. Window board to go on here, which I've got to make up. I've got a bit of it, inch MDF for that, because it'll be cheaper for me to do it that way. I hung this door yesterday. I've got all the latch and the handles and all that on, but you can see down on the floor there, the keep plates down there, so that's got to go on. And then obviously the arcs have got to go around that. So that needs doing. And then out here, if I show you here, I've got a bit of cladding to go up there, a bit of this same cement ball cladding to go back on there. And then the bottom half of this stable door needs to go back on because this floor level's come up. It now bottoms out, so yeah, that's got to go on. They won't be using this stable door, I don't think, but they just want it back on as a bit of a feature. So originally that door wasn't there, so that's been fitted. So yeah, there you go, guys. So we've got a little bit to do. We've got a day's work to do, basically. It's not too bad. The arcs and skirtings that he's gone for, and this stuff here, so it's just square edge stuff. So nice and simple and easy to fit, actually, because we don't need to worry about scribing or anything like that, or, well, external miters, but we ain't got to worry about internal miters or anything like that. So that'll be pretty straightforward. We'll get on with that. So I think we're going to start with the architraves on these, then get the skirtings done, then we'll jump on the window board and then work our way out of the property, basically. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay guys, so that's that doorway all sorted now, arcs on, stops on, keeps on, so that ain't too bad going. Now I think what we're going to do now is turn our attention to getting all these skirtings round, because I think that's the biggest job that I've got to do today, even though it's not a massive job really. So yeah, we'll get all the skirtings round, and then we'll jump onto that window board. Hey guys, so we've got a little issue here with this floor having a little lump in it. If you guys can see that, let me bring you a bit closer. So just down here we've got a little lump in the floor. So I need to do a little scribe on that. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to get it roughly level where I want it, and then run my pencil down. One of you lot might have told me that the hose come off the plane of the extraction hose. Okay, so that's all the skirting board's done, that door's done, the architrave's done, everything like that's done. So we're going to put this window board in that's over here. I've had to turn around here because I'm silhouetting out quite a bit and you can't see me. But yeah, we've got this little bit of MDF here, bit of inch MDF, which is big enough to make a window board out of, because believe it or not, it's cheaper to make your own. So we're going to be doing that, but obviously that's just a square bit of MDF at the minute, so we need to put a bull nose on the front and cut it all to the right shape and that. So I've checked the opening's pretty square, so not a great deal I can teach you on how to fit a window board on this, but I'm just going to show you how I go about it, so let's do that. Right, there we go guys, that's the window board done, and I don't know if you can see in there, just get that cladding up there, but I forgot to press record on that, but it's literally 2 lumps of board cut to length and nailed on, a bit more than that, but you know what I mean. So that's all done, so now what we need to do is cut down and get the bottom half of this barn door put back on. I'm not sure why they're putting it back on, to be honest, but hey ho, who am I to argue? We do what the customer asks and all that. So yeah, that's the next and last job, to be honest. So let's get that done, and then I'll give you guys a little pan around. Okay guys, so I've decided it's going to be easier to take this top door off because we've got this beveled angle on here. I'm not going to be able to hook the bottom door on. So as much as it pains me, because these are seriously heavy, I'm going to take this top door off, sort the bottom one out, and then whack the top one back on, and that's my plan. So yeah, top one off, let's do it. And there we have it, guys. That's the job all done. So overall, that probably took me about 7 hours to complete that. I have had probably, I don't know, half an hour maybe split up over the day just to have a quick cup of tea and a quick bite of sandwich and stuff like that. So yeah, probably about 7 hours, 6.5, 7 hours to complete that, which is pretty good. I charged £320 for that day, but I did, however, supply the bit of MDF to do the window seal and all the glues and fixings and bits and pieces. So if you take all of that into account, I probably earned about 280 quid today, which I'm well happy with. It's not the most I've ever earned, certainly not the least I've ever earned, but it's a good solid day's money for a good solid day's job. They're happy, I'm happy, everyone's happy, so there we go. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there on this one, guys. If you've got any questions, drop them down in the comments. I'm going to ask you guys to do me a massive favour, as I do with all of my videos. If you can just write the word ruler down in the comments, and it just lets me know who's got this far in a video and who hasn't. So yeah, word ruler in the comments for me, that'll be great. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, because we've got loads more content coming. We're not going to stop anytime soon. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell, you'll be up to date with all of my videos. But I'm going to leave it there. Cheers.